In this short video, let's look at 4 different display options for numeric values in Skuid: number, slider, stepper, and custom. You will have these 4 options for numeric fields for edit mode on both table and form components. The first option, number, is straightforward and has always been available in Skuid, where users can enter a numeric value in the field input. Slider is helpful if you want to provide your user a range from a fixed set of options. In consumer apps, you may be familiar with slider to control values like volume or brightness on your screen. On your Skuid page, once you select this option, you'll need to provide a minimum value and a maximum value, and also an increment value if you want the slider to increase by a certain amount. The third option, stepper, is defined as a 2-segment UI control used to incrementally increase or decrease a numeric value according to the Nielsen-Norman group. It can be useful on limited screen sizes, like a mobile app. It also requires fewer interactions without the need for the use of the keyboard. In this food ordering app, the Skuid App Builder provides the UI for users to add a certain food or beverage to their cart and uses a stepper display to increase or decrease the quantity with the plus and minus buttons. The last option, custom, is for advanced Skuid users who need to build their own custom field renderer for the numeric fields. This option requires knowledge of JavaScript and how Skuid components are built, so we would not recommend building your own custom field renderer if you're not yet an advanced Skuid user. And that's it for this week's Skuid tip. Thank you for watching and see you next time.